Good morning, children. I hope we all are safe. In today's class, we are going to revise about living and non-living things. Children, we see many different types of things around us, right? So, some of them they are living and some of them they are non-living. So let's see what comes in living and what comes in non-living. First one, living things. What are living things? The things that have life are called living things. For example, plants, animals, birds, insects, and human beings are living things. Things that have not life are called non-living things. For example, books, pencils, car, table, toys are non-living things. So now we will discuss how we can differentiate living things and non-living things. So for that, first we have to learn the features of living and non-living things. Features of living things, which means characteristics of living things. Living things can move, can grow, they need food and water, they can breathe, can feel, can reproduce, and die. But non-living things do not move, grow, no need food and water, do not breathe, do not feel, do not reproduce, and do not die. Such things are called non-living things. Let's see in more detail. The first one is living things can move. Living things can move in search of food, water, shelter, and for breed. Living things, they can move in different ways. Some animals move by walk. For example, cow, elephant, dog, cat, goat, giraffe, horse, donkey, etc. Some animals can crawl. For example, snake, crocodile, turtle, snail, and chameleon. Some animals can fly. For example, parrot, eagle, crow, sparrow, etc. Some animals can hop. For example, rabbit, frog, and kangaroo. Some animals can swim. For example, fish, octopus, shark, whale, dolphin, seahorse, jellyfish, and etc. Same way, plants also show some movements. For example, sunflower, touch me not plant, and morning glory flower. Sunflower. When the sun rises, this flower falls towards the east direction. And when the sun sets, so the flower faces at west direction. The petals of morning glory flower open each morning and close as the sun sets in the evening. The leaves of touch me not plant close as soon as it is touched. Non-living things do not move on their own. They need to be moved by living things. So the next one is living things can grow. All living things can grow in shape and size. The height and weight of living things increase as they grow. So this process you can call as the growth. For example, a baby grows into a man. A pup grows into a dog. A chick grows into a hen. A sapling grows into a tree. And a caterpillar grows into a butterfly. But non-living things do not grow. The next one is living things need food and water. All living things need food and water to live. Food gives us energy to do our work. We eat vegetables, fruits, meat, etc. We drink milk, water, juices, etc. Animals like cow, goat, rabbit, deer eat grass. So they are called herbivores. Animals like tiger, cheetah, lion, and crocodile eat flesh of other animals. Such animals are called carnivores. Some animals like birds, bear, crow, dog, rat, and cat eat meat as well as plants. Such animals are known as omnivorous. Some animals like vulture, hyena eat flesh of dead animals. Such animals are called scavengers. Plants are the only living things that make their own food. They prepare their food with the help of sunlight, water, and air. All the other living things depend upon plants for their food. Non-living things do not need food and water. Living things breathe. All living things need air to breathe. Animals and human beings breathe in oxygen and breathe out carbon dioxide. But plants breathe in carbon dioxide and breathe out oxygen at daytime and breathe in oxygen and breathe out carbon dioxide at night time. Children, do you know animals use different types of organs for breathing? For example, lion, tiger, bear, and human beings breathe through the lungs. Plants breathe through stomata. Fish, whale, seahorse breathe through gills. Insects like butterfly, mosquito, housefly breathe through spiracles. But non-living things do not breathe. Living things can feel. All living things can feel the changes around them. We feel the changes of surroundings with the help of sense organs. Plants also feel. For example, the leaves of touch-me-not plant glows as it is touched. Animals also can feel. For example, a scared cat runs on seeing a dog. Living things can reproduce. Animals, they reproduce by laying eggs or they directly give birth to their young ones. For example, birds like hen, ducks, and reptiles like crocodiles, turtles, laying eggs to reproduce their young ones. Animals like dog, cat, tiger, cow, goat, and human beings giving birth to their young ones. This is how all living things reproduce. But non-living things do not reproduce. Living things can die. Some creatures like mosquitoes and flies live for few days. Some like cats, dogs and horses live for few years. And some like elephants and tortoises live for 60 to 100 years or more. The average lifespan of a man is 70 to 80 years. Trees also live for many years. But non-living things do not die. Living things are divided into two groups. They are plants and animals. Similarly, non-living things are also divided into two groups. They are natural and man-made things. Natural things. Things which we get from nature are called natural things. They are gifts of God. For example, sun, moon, stars, mountains, water, rocks, planets, clouds, soil, fruits, vegetables, river and stones are natural things. Next, man-made things. Things which are made by man are called man-made things. All man-made things are non-living things. For example, table, chair, aeroplane, ship, cloth, clock, house or man-made things. So children, I hope you all are very much clear about what are living things, what are non-living things, what are natural things and what are man-made things, right? But still, to test your brain, let me ask you some questions, right? First question. A chick grows into a dog, hen or baby? The answer is hen. Second question. Gills help these to breathe. Fish, snake or bird? Yes, the answer is fish. Third question. Stomata are present in a flower, seed or leaf? Yes, the answer is leaf. Fourth question. A plant grows from a egg, seed or flower? Yes, the answer is seed. Fifth question. This is a natural thing. Sun, car, or toy? Yes, the answer is sun. Improve your GK. A dog has a strong sense of smell. A snake does not have feet. Children, in our third revision class, we had finished the first Roman D words and the second Roman match the following in our classwork, right? So let's continue the third Roman and fourth Roman in our classwork. Third Roman is complete the following web chat.
THINGS, things. Children, draw a line like this. Living, LIVING, living. Next, non-living, NON-LIVING, living, non-living. So, living and non-living things. Children, living things divided into two types. What are they? They are plants, 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 and animals, ANIMALS, animals. Living things divided into two types. What are they? They are plants and animals. Similarly, non-living things also divided into two types. They are natural, 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 and man-made, MAN-MADE, man-made. So non-living things divided into two types. What are they? Natural and man-made. Now example for plants are grass, 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 and trees, TREES, trees. And example for animals, lion, 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 and tiger, TIGER, tiger. So now children, listen to me. The example for plants, grass and trees. For animals, lion and tiger. For natural things, sun, SUN, and moon, MOON, moon. And man-made things, table, 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 and chair, CHAIR, chair. The children now copy and write. Complete the following web chat. Our third button is complete the following web chart. Things divided into two types. What are they? Living and non-living things. Living things divided into two types. What are they? Plants and animals. Example for plants, grass and trees. Example for animals, lion and tiger. Non-living things are natural and man-made. Example for natural things, sun and moon. For man-made, table and chair.
I repeat the question. Complete the following web chat. Things. 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 Living. 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 Non-living. NON. Non. LIVING. Non-living. Plants. 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 Animals. 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 Example for plants. GRASS. Grass. Trees. 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 Example for animals. Lion. 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 Tiger. 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 Natural. 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 Example for natural. SUN. Sun. Moon. 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 Man-made. MAN. Man. MADE. Made. Man-made. Example for man-made. TABLE. Table. Chair. 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 Fourth Romanus. Answer the following. First question is write WRITE. Write. 4 FOUR. 4. Characteristics. CHARACTERISTICS. Characteristics of of living. 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 Things. 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 Using. 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 The. The. First. 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 Letter. 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 Of. Given. 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 Words. 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 The first question is write 4 characteristics of living things using the first letter of given words. First one is monkey. 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 Owl. OWL. Owl.
vulture, V-U-L-T-U-R-E, vulture, and elephant, E-L-E-P-H-A-N-T, elephant. Answer is move, M-O-V-E, move. Second question is grass, G-R-A-S-S, grass. Rose, R-O-S-E, rose. Octopus, O-C-T-O-P-U-S, octopus. And watermelon, W-A-T-E-R-M-E-L-O-N, watermelon. The answer is grow, G-R-O-W, grow. The third one is dog, D-O-G, dog. Ice cream, I-C-E, ice cream, C-R-E-A-M, ice cream. And egg, E-G-G, egg. The answer is die, D-I-E, die. The fourth one is fan, F-A-N, fan. Elephant, E-L-E-P-H-A-N-T, elephant. Egg, E-G-G, egg. Lion, L-I-O-N, lion. The answer is feel, F-E-E-L, feel.
I repeat the question, children. Write 4 characteristics of living things using the first letter of given words, which means you have to pick out the first letter of each words. Here, characteristics means what, children? Yes, which means features of living things, right? So let's start with first question. M from monkey, O from owl, V from vulture, and E from elephant. So now you will get the answer move. You understand, children? In second question, G from grass, R from rose, O from octopus, and W from watermelon. So what is the answer? Grow. For third question, D from dog, I from ice cream, and E from egg. So the answer is die. And for fourth question, F from fan, E from elephant, E from egg, and L from lion. So the answer is feel. So what are the answer, children? First one, move. Second one, grow. Third one, die. Fourth one, feel. Clear, children? Second question is draw and label seed germination. Children, draw a line using scale like this, and below the line draw a seed like this, right? Next, draw a seed again, like this. Next, inside the seed, you should draw a wave line like this and give a shading for second half of the seed. This you have to do in the second seed. Next, you have to draw an embryo of the seed downwards. Okay? And next, you have to draw again one seed. Now, draw radicals. It should be towards the ground. Radicals, which means nothing but young roots. What are they? These are young roots. And next you have to draw the embryo towards above the ground. And again you have to draw a seed like this, children. And draw the radicals again towards the soil. An embryo should be out of the soil. And draw leaf like this. Let's label the parts. What is this? This is what? Seed. S-E-E-D. Seed. Next, leaf. L-E-A-F. Leaf. Next, plumule. P-L-U-M-U-L-E. Plumule. Next, radical. R-A-D-I-C-L-E. Radical. Embryo. E-M-B-R-Y-O. Embryo. Seed coat. S-E-E-D. Seed coat. C-O-A-T. Coat. Seed coat. Children, I repeat the question. D-R-A-W. Draw. A-N-D. And L-A-B-E-L. Label. S-E-E-D. Seed. G-R-M-I-N-A-T-I-O-N. Germination. First one is seed. Seed with seed coat and embryo. Third one is seed gets embryo and radicals. In the fourth picture, the radicals grow and the embryo becomes plumule. Plumule means baby stem and it bears leaves. So what are the parts? Seed, leaf, plumule, radical embryo, and seed coat. So children, copy and write in your classwork. Thank you, children.